Hey, how's it going out there? It's Jonathan Glazer here, and this video we're going to focus on um, the training that comes with the Builderall platform, business platform. So, if you're not in Builderall and you've been following my videos and you are interested in promoting it, using it to promote it and make some commissions and residual commissions, then stay with me to the end. I'm going to go over a really um, amazing training that I came across in one of the groups that I'm in, and this goes over practically every single way to get this amazing platform in front of people that are looking for either the services or a business opportunity to promote. So um, before we start, if you are in Builderall already and you're seeing this video and you want this training, get a hold of me in the description below. Um, there will be information on how to send me a message on Facebook, or you can email me as well. But sending me a message on Facebook is actually a way quicker way to get a hold of me, and I will get this to you. Now, if you're not in Builderall, um, this is going to help you tremendously. So um, we have some amazing leaders in Builderall, and there's groups online that I'm a part of, and they're constantly adding value almost daily. I mean, every time I turn around, I'm seeing notifications of something that's going on, a new sales funnel, a new training, a new webinar. So um, needless to say, it's a really great opportunity. The services, I'm loving the services, but I'm also loving the opportunity. And they have your back. They want you to succeed. It's a huge team. Everybody's so awesome. There's so many great people that provide value. So this is just one of the sites that that they help you with. And this has practically everything. So we're going to take a quick look at it. Um, and if you want this, like I said, if you're already in Builderall, if you're on, I've already given it to my teammates. But if you're already in Builderall and you want to get a hold of this, contact me. If you do want to do Builderall, there's a link in the description to join the business. And once you've joined the business, I will send you this training. So here is everything that it entails. So it's going to show you how to set everything up, get started, get your link, your domain link all set up, what you need to be doing daily to be getting your daily targeted goals, which you should be looking to bring in at least 1 to 2 builders a day, as well as getting people into the funnel, into those sales funnels, and get that pipeline, keep that pipeline full. So that's going to help you do that. And it's going to show you all the 30-day builder and then the business builder part of Builderall, which I've covered in previous videos. So you can go and take a look at those. Also, solo ads. It's going to show you some solo ads, even has some copy there for it. Facebook ads, Google AdWords, Bing ads, Instagram ads, Pinterest ads, LinkedIn ads, YouTube ads. It's going to show you Google Analytic tricks and affiliate secrets as well. So that's everything you're going to get access to in the training. So let's go and take a look at the YouTube one. And it's also LinkedIn ads, which I'm very excited about. I actually haven't dived into that one yet. I've gone through most of these here, and they are very well explained, very in depth, and it just shows you how to do everything from start to finish and how you should be targeting. So let's go through this, and you can just see kind of what you're going to be getting into here. So this is a very great way to promote Builderall. So I know what you're saying, and the video here is
Alright, what's up everyone?
about 25 minutes. So they're all going to be within that vicinity. So what I was saying was, you're probably thinking to yourself, but I don't know how to do videos. I don't have content. I'm not very good at writing. I don't know if I can do this. I just don't have the skill set yet. Well, that's what this whole site is for. So you're going to come over to the resources part, which is going to help you with the training part. So like I said, this guy has thought of everything you're going to need to start 100% new with Builderall. So you're going to get access to images to use, the videos for the YouTube videos, which I'll show you right now. They have intros you can use for your videos. If you're already seasoned at making videos, you can use the intros to give yourself a little personal brand boost. They actually have videos you can use for ads, running little in-stream ads on YouTube, which will be covered in the YouTube training, as you can use those here. You have just, you can sorry, I'm getting carried away. You can use these ads here for in-stream ads, short little ads on your Facebook news feed. They actually have ads you can actually use for Facebook, 2 different ones to choose from. Ads you can run for Instagram. You can even use some of the webinar training. And then here's those intros I was telling you about. And then if you want to provide value and give people some training, just exactly like I'm doing here, you can use these ads, this video here. And then here is a couple intros. Here's a couple showcase videos you can use. I mean, again, these videos aren't that long, so they're like a minute and a little over a minute. Perfect for in-stream ads. You can run these before the viewer looks at another video. They're very short. They have a great call to action, and it's going to save you tons of time and hassle trying to come up with those on your own. So that's just a little example I wanted to show you guys. So I'm always impressed by the content that our leaders are putting out. They really want people to have that life, have the no job life. They really want people to succeed. So they're doing all this stuff, and they're putting their time into it, just to help their team succeed and everyone else involved in this Builderall business to succeed. So I wanted to take the time out and show you this today, and this is everything you're gonna get. Lead magnets, elements, testimonies. You're gonna get copy, tools, and free tools and paid tools to help you, get some success with this. See some results. Get those signups, those sales. Get those, free trials coming in, which will lead to conversions to the business and then the services, and that's all gonna be residual, and it's just gonna build up and build up after month after month. And that money's going to keep coming in, and you can use it as part of your ad budget, grow your ad budget, and reach more people. So this is going to help tremendously. So that's it. That is pretty much all that this training site has to offer, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's always more to come. There's always new. Pardon me. There's always new things being added. So if you want to be a part of this company, reach out to me. You can click the link below and start your business. It's $49.90, and there is a free option that you can do. You will get 50% commissions, but I highly recommend that if you really want to just take off with this and just go for it, you just join at the $49.90 level, and that gives you access to every single tool, and I will hook you up with this training as well. So that being said, I hope you saw some value in this. I hope you see the potential with Builderall, and I look forward to working with you. So click that link, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any more training videos and videos like this, and I will talk to you real soon. Have an awesome day.